Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. We are talking over on the Toads Discord all about all the new things that have happened with the X6100 firmware release 1.1.6. Yeah, I'm gonna stop doing that, it's not working. 1.1.6, new firmware release. And somebody mentioned it was more than 24 hours ago, so I apologize that I don't remember who was the first person to find it, but it is in the Discord from 24 hours ago, and it's like 6 pages worth of scrolling because we're all excited about talking about this stuff. So we all tried it out. Bluetooth on the X6100 is a little weird. So I did a video on it yesterday and tried to figure out a couple of different things you could do with it. I'm not 100% sure what you can do with it, but I wasn't sure what you could do with a tablet when they first came out, and now look at how they've taken over the world. So eventually the Bluetooth is going to be meaningful because you and me, you and myself and all the other hams out there are going to make Bluetooth apps that control this radio, that make this radio do more things than the developers and designers ever thought possible. The 6100 emulates a lot of the cat control protocol for ICOM radios, so there's some overlap there. Super buggy right now, nobody's fault at all because the apps on the phone are supposed to be controlling a 705 and they might send commands that the radio doesn't understand yet. A couple of the apps are going to be updated so that they will work with the 6100, but stay tuned is all I can say. Let's go take a look at this. Hey, Bluetooth's on. Excellent. There it is. Pairing. Yes, I'd like to pair. Okay, connected for calls and audio. I'm going to make calls over my... Okay, let's do ham radio. And in here, there's a bunch of ICOM 705 type apps. This Pocket RxTX, I've heard from the developer that he's going to be connecting with the X6100 with a custom profile, so that is fantastic. Let's try 705 remote. Okay, that's interesting. Settings, CIV address, target device, X6100 Bluetooth. Connecting. I don't know what it's hearing on the waterfall because there's no antenna. Filter 2? Oh, filter 2 works. You can see the filters change when I do that. Filter 3, filter 1, band, 14. Fine. All right, so it changed. And we're rotating the VFO knob. That's pretty slick. Okay, so that's 705 remote. You can find that one in the Android store. How about 705 control? How about we don't crash? Keep stopping. 705 helper. All right, let's do select device, X6100 Bluetooth. Let's do connect, and that one crashed. Connect. Okay, look at them. Got some hex codes going crazy. Okay, so it did switch modes. Preamp on. Can't turn preamp off. Noise blanker on, off, good. Noise reduction on, off, good. VFO, it's on filter 3. Let's switch that to filter 1, yep. Okay, so most of these are working. So there's notch, noise reduction, and noise blanker. That's actually pretty good. Let's change bands to 40 megahertz, 40 meters. Oh, I said that wrong. Tuning step is 1K. Let's tune. There we go. Excellent. So it does the thing. Microphone. Mic gain. Let's push. Yep, so the TX light lit up. Pretty slick. There you have it. Complete work in progress, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Play with it, have fun, know that it's going to get better. If you have any ideas what Bluetooth might be useful for in this use case, cell phone, computer, radio, cell phone and radio only, I don't know. If you have any ideas, leave some comments in the description down below, and we will try and get some feedback over to the manufacturers of the apps and of the radio and see if we can make the world a better place for hams everywhere. There's a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. I'll be over there waiting for you. Thanks for being awesome.